Hello and welcome to today's video. Some breaking news in relation to F1. It was announced today that the race director for F1, Michael Masi, has been let go and his role has been reduced to a safety role within the FIA. This is coming from Sky News. Michael Masi has been replaced as F1 race director following a review into last year's Grand Prix in Abu Dhabi. The FIA has confirmed. The race director's role will be shared by two other people within the FIA. So Wittich and Freitas will be assisted by Herbie Blash as the permanent senior advisor, with Blash returning to F1 5 seasons after stepping down as deputy race director to the late Charlie Whiting. The new race management system or team will be in place from next week's test in Barcelona. A virtual race control room will also be created, likened to football's VAR, while direct radio communications between teams and the race director will be removed. In other words, will not be televised. However, there will still be communication between the race director and teams involved in the sport. The unlapping procedure behind the safety car is also to be reviewed by the F1 Sporting Advisory Committee and presented to the F1 Commission prior to the season getting underway in Bahrain on March 18th. So basically, what happened and why has Michael Masi been replaced? In the final stages of the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix on December 12th, Masi handled the late safety car period in a way not prescribed by the F1 rules, and the decision had a huge implication or impact on the championship. The Australian, who had been F1's race director since 2019, ordered only lapped cars between Hamilton and the second placed Verstappen through the safety car, providing the Dutchman on fresh tyres a shot at passing Hamilton, who was on old rubber, on the very final lap. Verstappen duly passed Hamilton for the race and the championship victory. And then Toto Wolff, who is team principal of Mercedes Racing, said that he was furious. And basically Masi's response was, it's called Motor Racing Toto. While Masi's actions were justified by the FIA stewards following a Mercedes team appeal, F1's governing body lodged a full review into the process and admitted F1's image was being tarnished. Yes, and then the president of the FIA has issued a proposal in light of the letting go of Masi and reducing his to a safety role within the FIA in Formula 1. Here goes. Firstly, to assist the race director in the decision-making process, a virtual racing control room will be created. Like the VAR in football, it will be positioned in one of the FIA offices as a backup outside the circuit. In real-time connection with the FIA F1 race director, it will help to apply the sporting regulations using the most modern technological tools. Secondly, direct radio communications during the race, currently broadcast live by all TVs, will be removed in order to protect the race director from any pressure and allow him to take decisions peacefully. It will still be possible to ask questions to the race director according to a well-defined and non-intrusive process. Thirdly, unlapping procedures behind the safety car will be reassured by the Formula 1 Sporting Advisory Committee and presented to the next F1 Commission prior to the start of the season. And finally, I would like to inform you that a new race management team will be put in place starting in Barcelona for the test season. Niels Wittich and Eduardo Freitas will act alternatively as race director, assisted by Herbie Blash as permanent senior advisor. Michael Masi, who accomplished a very challenging job for 3 years as Formula 1 race director following Charlie Whiting, will be offered a new position within the FIA. I presented this complete plan to the members of the World Motorsport Council and the Senate, who gave their full support. With this plan, FIA opens the way for a new step forward in Formula 1 refereeing. Without referees, there is no sport. Respect and support of the referees is in the essence of the FIA. That is why the structural changes are crucial in a context of strong development and the legitimate expectations of drivers, teams, manufacturers, organisers, and of course the fans. And that's it. So Michael Masi has had his role reduced to he's gone from being race director for 3 years, or 4 depending on how you look at it, to being a safety marshal or someone within the FIA. It'll be an interesting sort of, I suppose, season to say the least, and Drive to Survive Season 4 hits Netflix on the 11th of March, so there's surely going to be something about the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix in there as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to Formula 1 2022 kick-off soon. Pre-season testing gets underway very shortly, and Aston Martin, Ferrari, McLaren, and I think Alfa Romeo have all revealed their cars for the season this year. Mercedes will reveal theirs tomorrow. Williams have also revealed theirs, and Red Bull have done the same. So it will be a very exciting season, and I can't wait to see how it all unfolds, whether we have the same drama as last time, it's slightly different, or whether we don't have that drama at all. I also think the idea of having 2 alternating race directors is very interesting, to say the least. But there'll be more on that soon. But yeah, let me know what you think. Is it right that Michael Masi has his role as is it right that Michael Masi stays within the FIA and becomes a safety officer, or do you think he should have been let go completely? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.